Whether you're a streamer or making content on YouTube, quality audio is always a boon, because nobody will stick around to your stream or video if they can't hear you properly. But here's the catch: finding a microphone that won't break your bank while offering quality audio can be quite difficult. However, that did not stop us from finding the right one. After tons of research, one particular model that got our attention is the Tonor TC30, a USB condenser microphone that looks 10 times worth its cost. But how does it sound? Well, we're here to answer that question for you so you can decide if it's the right one for you or if you should pass on this one. But before we go into the details, let's have a look at what it comes with. Will you need to spend more money on the accessories? Well, turns out, no, as Tonor has included everything you will need for a true plug-and-play experience. Inside the box, you'll get the microphone itself, a USB cable, and surprisingly, a shock mount and pop filter, which usually are separate products you have to purchase. Another plus is that the stand shock mount and microphone are pre-installed, so there's not much assembly required. The only thing you need to do is attach the pop filter and plug one side of the cable into the mic's base and the other side into your Windows or Mac computer. Just make sure to push the microphone back a bit so there's an inch gap between the pop filter and the microphone. Moving on to the design, although the microphone is built primarily out of plastic, it does feel really solid. We did not notice any rough edges and all the different plastic parts fit well together. We also love the fact that they include a small tripod is actually very sturdy with metal legs instead of plastic. There are also large rubber feet on the base to avoid skidding. Another plus is the shock mount, which you can easily adjust to move forward or backward. However, the only issue that bothers us is there are no physical buttons like a mute switch or gain knob in the microphone. This means you cannot make quick adjustments on the fly and have to rely solely on the device it has been plugged into. Now, let's talk about the recorded sound quality of this microphone. Well, just to let you know that this entire video is recorded with this mic. And we gotta say that it sounds really good for its price. The audio you're hearing is a completely dry recording with no post-processing at all. We did not add any effects or anything except for increasing the volume when we needed it. The sound coming from the Tonor TC30 microphone was crisp and clear. It also uses a cardioid pickup pattern, which helps it to pick up everything in front of the microphone and minimizes frequencies behind it. Moreover, the included pop filter also helps to eliminate crackles and ensure coverage from all directions. We found out that the microphone performs best when we turn down the volume to around 70% or slightly less via the control panel on our PC. It's because this is a condenser microphone, so the capsule is highly sensitive with a wide frequency response, meaning it will pick up almost all sounds from your surroundings. So, when you turn the sensitivity up to the maximum, you will hear sounds like PC fans, keyboards, and mouse clicks. Thus, be wary of those things to get the most out of this budget microphone. To sum things up, Tonor TC30 is a basic USB microphone that offers a lot more than what it asks for. Honestly, we weren't expecting this much from a sub $40 microphone. We think it sounds phenomenal right out of the box and excellent for single-person use, whether that's voiceovers, voice calls, live streaming, and things like that. So, that was all about the Tonor TC30 microphone review. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on